Here I have HAIER v5, and let me show you how to enter hidden modes by using secret codes in this device. At first you have to open the phone dialer and now enter a secret code. The first one is *## 4636 ###. And now you will be redirected to phone information menu, so you can see all the phone information. Here you can check your email number, signal strength, self-info and connection type. You can also run a ping test. Let's go back. Then if you will go to battery information, you will be able to see all battery information. Then if you will pick usage statistics, you can see the last app usage period. And finally the last one, Wi-Fi information. Here you can check API. You can disable network, disconnect, enable network, get configured networks and get connected info. So let's go back. And also you can check Wi-Fi configuration and Wi-Fi status. And also here you can run ping test. Let's go back. And now we will enter second secret code, which is *##06#. And here you can see your email number. And that's actually all. So tap on OK to go back. And let's go to the next secret code, which is *##225###. Here you can check all events from your calendar and also the holidays in the country you live in. That's it. Let's go back. And it's time to enter the very last code, which is *##426###. And here you are debugged into for Google Play service. And that's all secret codes. Now you can use them and know your device better. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.